It's gonna cost this customer probably another 5 grand. All right, so here we are digging a pool. We dug this pool a couple days ago. It's a 15 by 30 rectangle. And as you can see down in the deep end here, the depth we're trying to achieve is 6 foot deep. So we've hit water. We've hit water, an underground aquifer that's running through the property. And you can see over here in the deep end, basically you have like a mini river coming out of the ground, going into our sump pump. We're pumping it out. So the plan today is to excavate a trench through the deep end. We'll put a 4-inch pipe down the center of this, and we're gonna use a fabric underneath to separate the dirt from the rock. So we'll put the fabric down, use rock to let the water permeate through and into the drain pipe. We'll trench over a couple feet off the pool, put a 12-inch vertical pipe construction all the way through plaster. Once we plaster the pool and fill it with water, then we're good to go. We can unplug the pump. The customer basically has a little well on site that he can use for irrigation as long as he's getting water through here. I would anticipate this is probably going to dry up in the middle of summer. If it does continue to bleed water through, well, then he's got water for irrigation. It's hit or miss. When you're digging a pool, you don't know. There could be this aquifer. It looks like it's coming from up here, right? I mean, you can see it.
Yeah, so it's like an
draining.
underground river.
Yeah. So there's aquifers everywhere, right? And it could be coming, you've got Lime Ridge up here, right? So that's all, think about it, all that rainwater that goes into the ground, right? It's going down until it hits an aquifer, and then it starts channeling down with gravity down, keeps working its way down to wherever there's a canal or a river. I mean, you don't know.
It's kind of like a big deal, right?
Well, it is. It's going to cost this customer probably another 5 grand, because of all the extra work that's needed.
Follow, like, and subscribe for more.